Here we are going to discuss about very short answer type of questions on probability and statistics which appear in the semester examination in the year 2022-23 for BTech third semester Electronics and Communication Engineering under Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology. What is the distribution for which mean and variance equal? Answer is Poisson distribution. For Poisson distribution, the PMF is probability of x at I equal e power minus alpha, alpha power I by factorial I, where alpha is the parameter. For this distribution, mean and variance, both of them alpha. Question number 1 to what is the mean? Any of the following definitions can be written in the exam. Mean for a discrete random variable x with probability mass function pxi is E of x equal sum from I equals to 0 to infinity xi pxi. Mean for a continuous random variable x with probability density function fx is E of x equal integration from minus infinity to infinity x fx dx. The mean of the values x1, x2 to xn is x bar equal 1 by n multiplied by x1 plus x2 up to xn equal 1 by n sum from I equals to 1 to n xi. If the data xi takes the frequency fi, then x bar is 1 by capital N multiplied by x1 f1 plus x2 f2 plus up to xn fn, which can be written as 1 by capital N sum from I equals to 1 to n xi fi, where capital N is sum from I equals to 1 to n fi. As in the question, nothing is written, so you can write the definition of mean of this arithmetic mean. Question 1-3. What values are required to calculate Chebyshev's inequality? The Chebyshev's inequality is probability of mod x minus x bar greater equals to epsilon less equals to 1 by epsilon square variance of x. So here mean and variance are required to calculate this inequality. Question 1-4. When do the conditional density functions get converted into the marginally density functions? Answer: only if random variable exhibit statistical independency. The question 1-6. The second moment about mean is equal to dash. The answer is variance. Question 1-7. A variable that can assume any value between two given points is called dash. The answer is random. Question 1-8. A table with all possible value of a random variable and its corresponding probabilities is called dash. The answer is probability distribution. Question 1-9. The two methods of finding mode in a discrete series are dash. The answer is inception and grouping. Question 1-10. In symmetrical distribution, mean, median and mode are dash. The answer is same. Question 1-5. What is the important term in central tendency? There are four options. Option A mean, option B median, option C mode, option D none. The answer is mean. Question 111. The probability that the sum 8 appears in a single toss of a fair dice is dash. We know the outcomes for a dice throwing experiment. The sample space S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we see for single toss of a fair dice, the outcomes are from 1 to 6. So there is no chance to appear for the sum 8. Therefore, this event that the sum 8 appears is an impossible event. That's why the probability is 0. Question 112. A random variable x has a Poisson distribution such that probability at 1 equal probability at 2, then the value of p at 0. We have to find the value of p at 0. We know the PMF for Poisson distribution, that is probability of x at I equal e power minus alpha, alpha power I by factorial I. Now we put I equal 1 and 2, and by some calculation or simplification we will get the value of alpha. As alpha not equals to 0, so the value of alpha is 2. Now let us put the value of alpha and I as 0 in the PMF of Poisson distribution. Then we are getting e power minus 2, 2 power 0 by factorial 0, which is e power minus 2. Here you have observed that there are 12 short questions. Any 10 questions you have to attempt. In the next video lecture, we will discuss about short answer type of questions of 5 marks. There will be 5 questions. Out of them, you have to attempt any 3. Hope it helped you. If you have any question, please drop in the comment box.